The good news, US CPI inflation has cooled to 7.1% in November. That said, please note, inflation in US is still perceived to be very elevated as are still over 3 times greater than the Fed's 2% target. All eyes will now be on Wednesday's FOMC meet outcome. The good news this morning is that US inflation has cooled. US annual CPI inflation declines to 7.1% in November versus 7.3% expected. The softening inflation adds to hope that the worst is over. Overnight, Wall Street jumps with joy. SGX Nifty 2 spikes up 1%. While the US dollar suffers heavy losses to 103.80 levels on soft US inflation data. All eyes will now be on Wednesday's FOMC meet outcome. We will however spy with one big eye if Jerome Powell at the press conference says some kind, gentle and most importantly, his comments are scripted dovish. That's because a hawkish Powell could again simply jolt stock markets across the globe. Global cues are positive. Both FIIs and DIIs in yesterday's trade bought shares worth Rs 620 and 37 crores respectively. FANO data suggests Nifty's range of 18,300 to 19,500 zone. India VIX has tumbled to 12.88. Nifty PCR is at 1.26. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.11. Nifty's outlook, all bullish eyes on Nifty 19,000 plus. Market breadth for the day likely to be positive. Sentiment for the day likely to be bullish. Nifty's technicals are suggesting massive breakout on the upside. Nifty, CMP 18,608. Nifty's biggest support seen at 18,345 mark. Biggest Nifty hurdles now only at 18,888 mark. Nifty's range for the day is seen between 18,550 to 18,900 zone. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 43,947. Bank Nifty support seen at 43,361 levels. Major resistance at 44,500 zone. Bank Nifty range for the day at 43,800 to 44,500 zone. Bias for the day is positive. Our call of the day suggests Nifty should simply lead towards its all-time high at 18,888 mark, joining the conga line of rising global stock markets. Explosive bullish reaction quite likely as King US dollar gets dethroned. Euro hits 6-month high at $1.06. We suspect